Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm painting a portrait and pet portrait. I like to start off with the background. It's a mixture of ultramarine blue, white, and a tad bit of black. Using a mixture of burnt umber and black, I painted his eyes. Next I'll block in the darkest areas with black and ultramarine blue. Around his muzzle is burnt umber and burnt sienna, but the rest of the body is blocked in with black and ultramarine blue, a little bit of white for the highlighted areas. The inside of the ear is a mixture of burnt sienna and white and burnt umber. All of the highlighting done, the midtones done for this dog are mixtures of black, ultramarine blue, and white. And then the browner areas are all mixtures of burnt umber, yellow ochre, and white. For the portrait, I'll start off with her eyes, and again, it's a mixture of black and raw umber. Her skin tones are all mixtures of yellow ochre, red, and white. I like to build up my colors slowly. Uh, so all of her skin tone is a mixture of the yellow ochre, red, and white. In some of the shaded areas, I added in a little bit of blue to make it like a purpley kind of shade. So those are the shaded areas. She has more of a rosy undertone, so when I was doing my mixtures for the skin, I didn't let the yellow ochre overpower the red. So I wanted it more pinky because those were her undertones. For her hair, there's just a mixture of uh, burnt um, burnt umber, red, and yellow ochre. So her hair is kind of like an auburn color. There's kind of like an ombre effect. So it's kind of darker at the top and it gets lighter at the ends of her hair with um, some gold tints in it. So I just worked it that way and used a rake brush to get those thin lines. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me. Thanks. Bye.